Hello Sagittarius, it's me Beata from horoscopesandreadings.com, and now I would like to forecast your May 2017 horoscope. So in case you have your sun sign in Sagittarius or your rising sign in Sagittarius, then this video is for you. Well, I have divided this forecast into two main categories which are impacted the most during May 2017. First, I would like to start with this. Well, let's say it's some kind of overall flavor of you during these months. You should definitely think big. I'm sure that you know that saying, and it is very much applicable on you or to you during these months. Because this is great month for you to achieve many things in whatever area you set your mind to do so. Um, Only one thing which can limit you is your thinking. That's why I am mentioning that you should think big. Because if you think small, you should definitely miss your chances or underestimate your potential, your opportunities from life. Stars are by your side during May, and you can accomplish a lot. Yes, so try to overcome your limits or your limiting beliefs, because you are supported by universe and you can achieve your goals in areas you want to. Now, when it comes to second thing I would like to talk about today is love or love matters. Of course, love can be, spread in many forms. So first, I would like to start with friends. Uh, when it comes to your friends, I think that some of your friends may take advantage of you during these months. So just observe it and eventually act accordingly. Of course, you should help your friends as much as possible, but if you get that hint that, something is not right here, or I don't feel like that, isn't it too much, what's going on? So just observe it and remember that some of your friends may try to take advantage of you during these months. When it comes to committed relationships, such as marriages, situation is good, is very very good, because you will feel connection with your spouse, and there will be that rapport between you and them, so you can experience very nice time in your marriage. Okay, so I'm done with this video. I would like to tell you that this forecast is very general, because it is based only on your sun sign, and we all are different from each other. So if you want to have your future revealed for you, you should ask for a report from the professional astrologer. So I'm done here. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and I wish you very nice month. Bye bye.